Hi guys, it's Eileen here and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified of my future uploads. So this week at Dollar Tree, it was okay, but I still wanted to share my really good finds. I have really been in the garden theme lately. It has been on my mind and I've been trying to get it all together. And it was really funny that I came across this faux rock, and this is a Stone Key Hideaway. I thought it was very funny that I found it right now after completing my garden. And I thought this was a great idea. I mean, I'm not going to stick it in my front garden, but I thought this was a good idea to throw somewhere because the kids are always forgetting their key. I thought that was great. The next thing I've really been searching for, and I was really excited to find these today, were these feather trinket trays. These are adorable for just $1. I got it in white and I got it in gold. And this gold is super shiny and adorably beautiful. I thought this would be great just to lay out on my dresser for my jewelry or for little hair clips. It will just keep it from being unorganized. I love organization, so I really thought those were adorable. In the home decor area, they did get a lot of little trinkets or tchotchkes, I like to call them, to put around, and I really didn't have a use for all of them, but I did pick up this elephant. They had a lot of animals. They had horses and antelope. It looked like a rhinoceros and the elephant, and I thought this was beautiful little elephant. I might even paint it and jazz it up with some gems or stick on adhesive crystals. So I thought that this would be great to do something with. And also, as you know, elephants are for good luck. The next thing that I found, which was really exciting, were these candle holders. I have been looking for these for so long. People keep hauling them. These are adorable. They are really high end. The glass feels, you see, it's super strong. It says homemade on the front, and it is adorable. So I picked up 2 of these. You could put a tea light in here, either an LED one or a real one. Just be careful when there's flames. And I thought this would be great. So I picked 2 of those up. In the bath aisle, they had these Bolero body washes. I picked one of them up. This is in honeysuckle and green tea. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to try it real soon. I did try, though, these Bolero hand soaps. These are beautiful. They look so pretty in this packaging, and this is coconut oil and sea salt, and this one's honeysuckle and green tea. And I've tried this one, and it smells amazing. It lathers up amazing in your hands, and it does the job. It lathers up so well, and it smells so well that you can't beat it. These soaps are perfect for your guest bathroom, as a gift in a gift basket. So I hope I actually could go back and find some more of them. I regret only buying 3. Those were the 2. The other one I already started using. I also found these bath bombs. These are Spa Natural Coconut and Vanilla Bath Bombs, and I thought these would be great for my 5-year-old. He loves to take baths, and he loves these things. So I picked these up, 3 for $1, pretty good. Speaking of my 5-year-old, he's about to graduate from kindergarten. I'm super proud of him. And for his graduation, we found these lights at the Dollar Tree. They have a whole graduation section, but I think it's more for high school or even college. But they had these LED lights that attach to your cap. They have 4 little clips, and they just go along. They're 3.66 feet long. I really hope the teachers don't give us a problem, and I hope the teachers let us use these LED lights on his cap, because he is really excited to put them on there for graduation day. And then I wanted to share with you what I found in the crafting aisle. I found these very beautiful butterflies. These are mirrored butterflies, and they have an adhesive backing, and I thought this would be great to do with an upcoming DIY. They also had these round circular mirrors. I'm not quite positive what I will do with it, but I thought I will figure it out real soon. All right, guys, that sums up my Dollar Tree haul for this week. It was not that large, but I will keep going back to my favorite Dollar Trees and searching for the new finds, and I will be back here to share it with you guys. So I hope that you really enjoyed my video. And if you did, you know what to do. Give it a great big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for future notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!